Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to solve this problem with a different method. Okay, so from the previous video you can see the conditions we use to solve this, so I'm going directly solving this. Okay, so first of all we can rewrite this as square root of 23 over x plus 1, okay, plus this square root of 23 over x minus 1, okay, and this is equal square root of 2, because if you divide this by this you will have this, if you divide this by this you will have -1, as well as here in which you will have +1. So let's use the common method, which is squaring both sides of the equation, okay, in this method. So we have now this, which is a square plus, which is a plus b, and this is square. So this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so now applying here, this one square would be, well, let's write this. It would be square root of 23 over x plus 1, and this is square plus 2 times the first one, which is square root of 23 over x plus 1, times the second one, square root of 23 over x minus 1, plus the second one square, which is this, and this is square. Okay, and this is square, equals, we have 2 square here, which is going to be 2. I mean, square root of 2 square, which is 2, right? So now we can cut this and we can cut this, right? So we would have square root of 23 over x and plus 1 plus, looking here, we have this square root and this square root. If you have square root of a times square root, let's just see this rule. Square root of a times square root of b. This is the same thing as square root of a times square root of b. Okay, so now I can keep this and I will have 2 square root, and I'm going to write this term and this term inside. So I will have square root of 23 over x plus 1 bracket times, and square root of 23 over x minus 1 close bracket plus, and in here we'll have square root of 23 over x minus 1, which is going to be equal 2. So now see that I have minus 1 plus 1, this is 0, and this term and this are the same. So this is, we have 2 square root of 23 over x plus this one, I'm going to write 2 times. Now you see that this is similar to what? Let's write here. This term in here is similar to a plus 1 plus b times a minus b. So this is a square minus b square, right? So now here we can have square root of 23 over x. This is square minus 1 square. Okay, and this is going to be equals 2. So this, we can cut this and let's write from the beginning, but let's take this one. 2 we can divide all the equation by 2, right? So we'll have here 1, so we'll rest with this, plus this will be 1, and this will be square root of, cutting this, we'll have 23 over x minus 1, which is going to be equals to 1. Okay, so well, let's take this element and send to the right side of the equation. So I would have here square root of 23 over x minus 1, which is going to be 1 minus this square root of 23 over x. Well, I'm gonna square both sides again of the equation. So this goes with this, and I'm gonna have 23 over x minus 1, and this is going to be, well, this is a minus b, right, square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is going to be 1 square is 1 minus 2 times 1 is 2 times this 23 over x, and plus this term square would give us, let's write this, 23 over x, and this would be squared, right? Well, you have mine, so let's keep this 23 over x minus 1. This is equal to 1 minus 2 square root of 23 over x, and plus we cut this, okay? So we have 23 over x. So this one and this one are the same, we cut them, and minus 1, and well, we have minus 1, this come here, minus 1, it's going to be minus 2 square root of 23 over x. And now we have minus 2 equals to minus 2 square root of 23 over x. So now what we have here is we divide both terms of, let's say minus 2 divided by minus 2, this comes here dividing, we get this, right? 23 over x. This is 1 equals to square root of 23 over x, okay? So now squaring both sides of the equation, okay, we get 1 equals to 23 over x. So now x times 1 will be x, right? And x then it will be equals to 23. Okay, guys. So this is our answer for our equation. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next video. Please subscribe. Bye bye.